Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phones, enable developer options and USB debugging on the Redmi, and make sure the Vivo has file access enabled. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or get a USB OTG cable ready. This speeds transfer and avoids data charges. Make sure to back up critical files and free about 1/4 of storage on the target phone so incoming data fits. Now open the Redmi's File Manager or My Mover app to start exporting data. You now execute the transfer using My Mover or a files sharing app. Select categories, photos, contacts, apps, messages, and queue them. Connect the two phones by scanning the QR code or pairing via Bluetooth and accept the incoming connection on the Vivo. Once connected, confirm the transfer queue and prioritize large folders first so they begin moving immediately. Keep both screens awake and avoid background apps. This preserves bandwidth. Make sure the phones stay close and Wi-Fi remains stable until the main bulk completes. You finish by verifying everything. Open contacts, gallery, messages, and test a few apps to confirm logins and permissions. If items are missing, retry transferring specific folders or switch to a cable USB OTG transfer for reliability. Large media sometimes drops over wireless. If apps misbehave, reset app permissions on the Vivo and clear app cache. This often resolves import errors. If transfer stalls, reboot both phones and repeat only the incomplete items rather than restarting the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.